Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. In this video I'm going to unbox my new iPad Air 4. I've had my regular iPad in the 6th generation for about 2 or 2.5 years now for university. And I really loved it, but because I also always found the aesthetic of the iPad Pro so beautiful, I thought that now with the iPad Air it was time to maybe give it a little upgrade. So yeah, here I had that very intimate and satisfying moment that you normally have with the Apple products when you can just open them. It's just so good. And here another thing that I was really excited about was trying the Apple Pencil 2nd generation, because I only had the 1st generation and I personally found it, when you use the iPad every single day, it's very annoying that you have to charge it inside the charging port of the iPad itself, and it's very slippery. And with this pencil it's just not so slippery, and just in general they made a good job with the design. And even though you can't tell, I was so excited while filming this. I was literally shaking because of the aesthetic of this iPad, and I was just so happy and I found it so beautiful. I actually waited for it like around a month to arrive, so I was thrilled. For everyone who doesn't have the money to buy themselves a completely new iPad, which is not necessary at all, I thought I would take you with me through all the single steps of unboxing this beautiful iPad, because I personally really enjoy watching these videos, especially when you don't have the iPad, because I didn't have for the last half year or so either, so I had to watch these videos too. I wanted to add a little disclaimer, because I really don't think that you have to buy the newest iPad or the new iPad Air 4. If you just are fine with what you have, then that's completely okay. I personally thought that it would be really cool to have one, and I saved a lot of money for this, so yeah, that's why I bought one, but you don't really need to. And in the next weeks I will also upload a video where I'm comparing my old iPad to my new iPad, and will show you what is new and what isn't new, and maybe also give you a little bit of an insight which iPad you could get if you're thinking about getting a new iPad. And this right here was basically the most satisfying part of all of them. It was basically just unwrapping the iPad itself, because like, for real, look at this iPad, it's so pretty. I can't. I mean, please take a look at this back, it's just so pretty. I got my iPad in space gray because I personally want everything to be black and classy, and I don't want too much like color going on. So my phone's black, my laptop's actually silver, but I think if I would get a new one it would be black too. And I also got a purple case for my iPad, so it looks basically like purpley all the time, but I can switch that so I can have like every color that I want, because I chose a very neutral one. And yeah, because I already had an iPad before, it was so easy to set up everything and just get all my stuff over to this new iPad, and here you can just see what that looks like. So this is just a first try of the iPad with everything like downloading and stuff, and I have my new old backgrounds and stuff, and I think it just looks so cute. And yeah, I really hope you liked this little unboxing, and I hope to see you next week, or in like, I don't know, 2 weeks, to see the comparison video between this iPad and my old iPad, and maybe also it will give you some insight in which iPad you could get if you're a student. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you liked it, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!